Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Honda Clarity maintenance light reset. We are going to use this screen right here, the GPS system. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have to push start, go ahead and press it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Give it about a second. Okay, now press OK. Go ahead and hit home. Once you're at the home screen, go ahead and press the setting. Go ahead and choose vehicle. Now go ahead and scroll down until you see maintenance info. Click on that. Select reset item. Now this car is already been reset, so the all due item is it's not highlighted anymore. But if you're gonna go ahead and reset, go ahead and click the all due item, and then it'll show you the reset button, and go ahead and just hit the reset button, and you're good to go. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please click that like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.